So today we're using these lashes. These are the Doll Beauty individual lashes in the style Natural 03, and they are sizes from 12mm to 16mm. Now I'm using the Doll Beauty Seal and Bond, which is black, and I'm just showing you guys how to apply these lashes. So first off, basically all you do is you just lift your lashes and you coat your lashes a little bit, not too much, with the black Bond, and then you just take one of the little clusters off of the lashes and you just place it underneath your original lashes, and you just use some tweezers and you pinch it together so that it seals nice and easily. So just like this. This is fairly quick and fairly easy. I absolutely love the Doll Beauty lashes. They are so easy and simple to use. So I just wanted to show you guys how I do my lashes, and this was the first that I've used this style, so I just quickly done these and done my makeup for the day, and this was as simple and easy as it is. So I'll leave the link in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. So yeah, hope you guys like these lashes. Now, once all that's done, I'm just going to go in and I'm just going to seal all the lashes, and this is what holds it all together. So yeah, that is as simple and easy as it is. I'm also just taking the little spoolie end of, do you know how like the little brow brushes, and I'm just brushing through the lashes, because there is some that's a little bit clumpy, but that's what happens when you're like squeezing them together. Sometimes that happens. So I'm just brushing them, and this is the final look.